my god, I am honestly in disbelief of how this looks right now. What's up guys, my name is Jacob Sherwood. Thanks for tuning in to this week's video. I have a bunch of stuff to show you guys on my drift cart, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. I actually started filming this video like 2 days ago so I could have it ready for Monday, but a bunch of stuff happened and I had to push it back. So instead of just backtracking to that Monday footage, I'm just gonna start fresh. So some things that you guys missed were I got a new battery for my go-kart, I put all the electric start back together, and then I got a couple Hot Boy mods that just have to be seen on camera. I can't even talk about them. So first things first, you can tell I have this thing on the charger right now because I'm really trying not to ruin this battery like my last one. Everything is wired up. It's not the, not as clean as I would want it right now, but I can twist the key right here and it starts right up. And you probably can't tell right now, but I added a little peaker. There it is. Shout out to Quentin from More Skids. He just had the best peaker in the game, so I had to cop it. I don't have any windows, so I just posted them up on the gas tank. But yeah, I thought that's a little funny addition to the cart. The other Hot Boy mod that I got, I honestly am probably most excited for because I've wanted to do it forever, and it's sitting in this giant box next to me. Nice. If you guys don't know what this is, it's ebay.com, and this is a ginormous wing that's actually made for a car. So let's unbox this thing and size it up. Okay, so the box comes with some hardware, which is awesome. And then the star of the show right here. Ooh. Somehow this shipped right from LA, and I'm like 2 hours north of LA, so it didn't get wrecked, which is, I've heard, a huge commodity in eBay business. Okay. So it's definitely not a thick boy like I wanted, but this is gonna suit the go-kart well, I think. Honestly, I haven't been filming that much because as I'm putting this thing together, I am gonna have to move it around for it to fit on my cart like easily and not having to like fabricate some new stuff. I honestly have just been winging it, pun intended, but I'll show you guys what I did in the meantime. So I have this little ducktail looking thing, and it already has 2 holes that are drilled in it that kind of make it look ugly. So those are 14 inches apart. The mounts on this wing were 20 inches apart. So I just brought each one in by 3 inches, and now I just need to mount the uprights and it should be ready to mount on. Alrighty, so this is pretty much the finished product. Like I said, I just moved these uprights 3 inches in on both sides to accommodate for that little duck fin I have. And then I took the rear mounts off. If you want to know exactly what I used to do it, I just used a little step drill bit. And then these are technically self-tappers, so they went in super easy. And if we come over to the cart, the angle's not going to be premium, boys, but check this out. One-handed. Boom. That's where it's going to mount, just like so. I'm gonna get some hardware in this so I can actually back up and film this thing. Oh my god, I am honestly in disbelief of how this looks right now. Yes, sir. Oh my. Look, I know she's standing like almost vertical, but gosh, this thing is gonna be sick when it's all dialed in. Oh my god, that's exactly what it needed. It just was missing something back there. It just looked naked, and like now that is giving it, what it needs. To give you a better insight on what I did here, I literally just mounted it right to that little lip that's sticking off. It's still super wobbly just because I haven't even fastened it down all the way, but it does look a little weird because this is supposed to mount flat along with this one. So I'm probably gonna put like a tie rod looking thing just to keep your mind busy. But dude, from behind, this thing is looking titties. I'm gonna pull this thing into the grass just so we can get an outside look at the whole picture. Like I said, she clearly needs adjusted, and I need to get rid of that exhaust. But wow, I threw the half finished front bumper on just for looks, but this thing is actually becoming an entire unit, and I am floored about it. So once I get a little bit more time, probably after work today, I'm going to finish, you know, the adjustment orientation of that. And then I definitely need to get this front bumper out of the way because I've been lagging. So yeah, unfortunately, I do have to head to work right now, but I will catch you guys fresh after my shift. All right guys, so it's actually the next day, and I unfortunately didn't get around to filming last night at all, but I learned a lot of new stuff about this wing, and I'm gonna update you guys on some stuff that I noticed and I'm gonna change. So I really love the position that this wing is in, and I don't wanna change it. So to do that, I'm gonna have to reinforce this a lot because this thing flexes a lot. And because I actually think that this might help me have some more grip when I'm drifting, I wanna make sure that it's very sturdy. So last night I went ahead and ordered some little cross struts that are gonna go from the bumper itself to the wing. So it's gonna be connected in 2 different spots, and I'm also gonna be fastening this thing down all the way around so it's just solid as possible. I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get around to driving or anything, but honestly I couldn't find a filmer or someone to take me because my lack of transportation really sucks when it comes to go-karts, but we are working on that, and I'm trying to solve those issues by the end of 2020, but that's a different story. So instead of the, you know, driving video that I was gonna bust you guys with, I really want to just do a little montage and just show you the electric start going, and you know, just make the thing look easy. So let's go. Alrighty guys, so I did have to keep this one, you know, a little shorter than I wanted to, but that's all I had time to get done this week. Please stay tuned for next video where I'm gonna be actually taking this thing out and getting some rips and filming and some fire edits because I haven't been able to provide that in a while, and that's what I'm doing this weekend with my time off. So until then guys, thank you again for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're feeling this vibe. Don't forget to drop that like and comment if you're extra feeling the vibe. Appreciate you all. Peace out.